of n means define the function. Next a value is the a value. Updated the AB values. Next print. Print the first terms of the Fibonacci series. Next output. Formula for Fibonacci series, find the 10 terms. First term f of 0 equal to 0. Next f of 1 equal to 1. Next f of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 0. Next f of 2 value equal to 1. Next f of 3 equal to f of 2 plus f of 1. 2 value is 1 and f of 1 value is 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next f of 4. F of 4 is equal to f of 3 plus f of 2. F of 3 value is 2 plus f of 2 value is 1. F of 4 value is equal to 3. F of 5 value is equal to f of 4 plus f of 3. F of 5 value is equal to 5. 6 is equal to f of 5 plus f of 4. F of 7 is equal to f of 6 plus f of 5. Everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar from BID branch. My team number is 16. I am team lead. Today I will discuss about print first 10 terms of the Fibonacci series. First program is depth Fibonacci of n. Depth Fibonacci series means define a function. Next a comma b equal to 0 comma 1. Initialize the ab values. Next foreign range. Foreign range means n is equal to 10 up to 10 terms print. Next print is a comma n. Next a comma b equal to b comma a plus b means updated the ab values. Print the first entrance of the Fibonacci series. Next output. Formula for Fibonacci series: f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. F of 0 value is 0 and f of 1 equal to 1. F of 2 value is 1. F of 3 value is 2. F of 4 value is 3. F of 5 value is 5. F of 6 value is 8. F of 7 value is 13. Next f of 8 value is 21. Next f of 9 value is equal to 34. Then output is first 10 times of the Fibonacci series.